additional storms. So we do have the chance to see that coming up later on this week. You can see our day today, not terrible. I mean, temperatures are high. We're in the low 90s. Feels like 94, not too bad. Those dew points are low. They're in the low 60s, which means we don't have high humidity. That's a good thing. Our feels like temperature is staying near our actual temperature, but that's not going to be the case as we head through the rest of the week. We're looking at humidity driving up. We're looking at temperatures driving up. Today, though, not terrible. We do have a few clouds out there. Storm Tracker 3S shows some rain out towards the Little Rock area, but we shouldn't see much going on, maybe a drizzle or two out there in Arkansas. For the most part, it's just going to be a hot day. Higher temperatures coming up on Tuesday and on Wednesday, even through the rest of the week, which is the rest of August. So we're ending August above average. We're actually starting September, the first week of September, expected to be well above average as well. And then throughout the next few days, Tuesday through Thursday to be specific, we are looking at high humidity. So pair that with those temperatures that are back into the mid to upper 90s. The heat index is going to be back into the triple digits already by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And it's in that uncomfortable level of humidity. Dew points back into the 70s, so you're going to feel the difference there. On top of that, we also have those additional rain chances. Today, we saw a couple of little sprinkles and showers earlier in the morning. We'll see the same thing Tuesday morning. So this is 6 a.m. Just a few little showers popping up near Arkansas. We are still in a fairly stable air mass. You're not worried about any storms producing severe risk on Tuesday. However, by Wednesday, if we saw those temperatures are already back into the mid to upper 90s, high humidity, we're going to start to see a more unstable air mass by Wednesday. So leading into Wednesday morning, a couple of little spotty showers in the morning, not a concern here. They are going to bring some rain chances here into Arkansas and even into northern Mississippi. But our actual risk for severe weather is this chunk of storms up here. It starts off, you can see out there in Kansas, moving into Missouri, and then that'll push further southeast right on top of us by Wednesday evening. Something I'm looking at is that atmospheric energy, and this is what I was talking about. When you have the higher temperatures, higher humidity, that's more unstable, more energy in the atmosphere. Tuesday, not too concerning. I mean, you can see where the energy is the highest there, reds, yellows. That's going to be more in Arkansas and into western Mississippi, but not quite in Shelby County area. However, on Wednesday, you start to see that energy kind of spread out a little bit more, starts to push into the Memphis area. And this is through Wednesday evening, right when we're expecting those storms to move in, which means that we will likely see a risk for severe weather. We're already in a marginal risk that clips just Shelby County really in Tennessee, mostly for western Mississippi and most of Arkansas, which of course that lines up with where that energy is. But it's definitely something you want to pay attention to, as a lot of the area is still going to be dealing with the aftermath of the storms on Saturday. Any additional winds could affect the trees, power lines that were weakened. So you want to pay attention to that and plan ahead as much as you can. But our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, we're still looking at extremely high temperatures even after any additional rain or fronts coming through. And this is going to last, like I said, through the first week of September. That's there starting Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, the end of this forecast. You can see we're still above normal in the upper 90s. So it's going to be hot for a while.
Lindsay, thank you very much.